Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not.
We went all the way to Southwest to buy some plants because it's cheaper there than if you buy in the store. My God, the price is triple. So I have a very good deal of plants, indoor plants. So I'm going to put it in the corner of my house. We'll see. I hope it grows. So we're on our way. This is Palmetto, you know? Yeah. This morning when we drove here, it's so traffic. So I hope this time it's already 3:30. I hope the traffic is subside already, so we'll see. It's a good weather here, like we're in the 80s. Yeah, we're in the 80s. So, wow, it's smooth now. It's like it's not too traffic here. This is Palmetto, guys, going toward North Miami Beach, going towards the north side, you know? Yeah. Because we came from the south, so we're going to the north. Yeah, look at the ano here, guys. So there's a lot of plants, palm trees here in Miami. Yeah, a lot of palm trees. So nice, a lot of green plants. See, still cold here a little. I think the summer starts here like March or end of March, and start the summer again. Look at that, guys. There's a lot of plants. So we're going to go home now. It's like 45 minutes drive, even 1 hour, no?
1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour drive.
That's far.
Just take our time. Yeah, no? We're not in a rush. My God, there's a lot of sandpaster, eh? Yeah, no? A lot of sandpass here. Guys, this is Palmetto. There's no traffic. The traffic start like 4 again or 5. So, yeah. This is the airport. You can pass by Miami Airport here too. Miami International Airport. Hi guys, this is Miami, Florida. We have a nice weather today. Wow. It seems like the traffic is not that bad like this morning.
Yeah, when you start getting close to the city, that's the
Yeah.
problem.
We have a lot of bridges here too. You know, building a lot of roads, extension, widening, but the traffic is still to the nursery, guys, and the girl she's so funny. And I bought a big plants indoors. I have also hanging plants, and I bought a lemongrass there because it's hard to find a lemongrass in where I live. So I bought the one in the pot. So it's good if you're going to cook chicken, fish, put lemongrass on it. So it's good. Yes, so I bought it for Sunpass again. Okay. This is the second Sunpass that
47 cents.
yeah. There's a lot of Sunpass here all the time. So, yeah. Imagine you drove here every day. My God, just your Sunpass is already expensive. Because from Southwest to his job, it's like an hour also, maybe now. In an hour also now when you live before, when you're in
Well, that was a pass.
Southwest before, right?
Yeah.
It's like 1 hour now
Yeah.
driving.
Every day.
Yeah. So glad we moved to North Miami Beach. So from our house to his job is like 25 minutes. And there's no tools there. Maybe no tool.
No.
Yeah. It's nice, guy, when you go to the south part. It's nice because it's like you're in the province, suburbs. It's nice. There's a lot of nursery that you can choose, and then there's a lot of what do you call that? Fruits, you know. So this morning we went to the fruit store there also. We bought watermelon, and the watermelon is big, $10 something, guys. So yeah, we bought that one, and then we bought a smoothie because their fruits there is like from their farm, fresh from their farm. So yeah, in Southwest, if you go to Southwest, that's what you see all the time there. Mostly farms. Yeah, like you're in the other side, other part of Miami. You're far from the city. So this way, we're going to the city now. Look at our road here, it's so wide, guys.
In 2 miles, keep left.
Keep left now. Why you need to keep left? Going to maybe?
No, I'm done. I didn't take it off.
I told you going to Turnpike.
No. Look, no less traffic.
Yeah, there's no traffic now. This morning when we passed by here like 12 o'clock also, maybe that's why. We passed by here like in 12 noon. So traffic.
Feel bad. I stretch.
That's why you need to stretch land. Is that because you're moving every day? It also helps you. Sometimes you need to stretch. So this is going towards the airport also again, in Miami International Airport. So this is the way. even if there's a lot of bridges already here, roads, there's still traffic. Oh my God. Mucho tráfico. Yeah, see, we're closer to the city. At least it's not traffic now. It's sunny here, guys, but it's not that humid, so it's still nice, you know. But if the peak season here of summer, oh my God, it's like you run out of oxygen because it's hot. But now it's still good. The weather is still cooler. Especially if you're going to work in the afternoon. Oh my God, it's so nice. So we're still like 33 minutes to go to get to our place. When I get her the first time, we live in Southwest, so my husband is going to drive here every day, morning, night, every day. So imagine the traffic is so bad. How many years driving here already? Maybe like 15 years driving. This is Hialeah already, right? Yeah.
The route.
So this is the route. Yeah. What's your next way? What's your next way?
No, what? This? Was it?
It's just like it's your bone crack.
No.
This one, is this tool again, baby?
What?
That's a tool again?
Look like they're thinking about putting one. Not yet. But they already got it there.
Before, guys, they don't have tools here. You need to pay tools, right, baby? But now they put a lot of